Hi guys, and welcome. In this video we'll explore the surface area of a rectangular prism. So we need to know what surface area is, and the surface area is the total or the sum of all the areas of the faces of a particular solid. I think the easiest way to calculate the surface area or the area on the outside is to draw its net and then calculate the individual faces. So what does a net of a rectangular prism look like? So if you cut that up and mash it all up and unravel it, what would it look like? So it would have 6 faces, 6 rectangles, but will have identical rectangles. So this particular one and that particular one would be the same. This particular one and that rectangle would be the same. And that one would also be identical. That particular side length, or the edge here, is in fact those two. When these two join up, it would be that particular length there. So if we're looking at dimensions, that would help us out. So we know that the top and bottom are identical. We know that the back and front are also identical, and so are the two ends. You'll notice this particular formula. The surface area is 2 multiplied by LB plus LH plus BH. You might see it represented as a surface area is 2LB plus 2LH plus 2BH. All we've done is factorized the 2 out the front and kept it there. The LB would be this area, but because we have 2 of them, we've multiplied it by 2. The area of LH is this part here, which is the top, and that is the bottom. There's 2 of them, so that's why we've multiplied it by 2. And we know that the ends are BH, so that's 1 BH, and there's another one making it 2 BH. Alright, let's use that information to calculate the surface area for this rectangular prism. So we've got length, we've got breadth, and we've got height. It doesn't matter which one we call height or breadth, so we can have them in the reverse. So here's our surface area of a rectangular prism formula. Here are our values, length, breadth, and height. Let's substitute the values. So 2 multiplied by 15 times 5 plus 15 times 7 plus BH, which is 5 times 7. So you can do that on the calculator straight away to get your answer, or you can do 2 multiplied by the sum of all of those. So our answer is 430 square centimeters. Okay, you can pause the video and have a go at this particular question. Just make a note of the units used in this one, make sure they're all consistent, and we'll have a look at the solution in a moment. Alright, here we go. Here's our area or our surface area formula. Here are our measurements. Just make sure that we don't use 80 but we use 0.8 because these two are in meters, so that one needs to be in meters as well. Here is our substitution. There's our L, there's our B, LB. Here's our L, here's our H, LH, and here's our B, here's our H, BH. So 2 multiplied by the product and the sum of all those. And here's our solution, 15.12 square meters. So if we unraveled that rectangular prism, that's what we'll end up having, that space. So if we had cardboard needed to make that particular rectangular prism, how much cardboard is needed, and 15.12 square meters is needed. Okay, pause the video and have a go at those two questions. I'll put the solutions up there in a second. Make sure you show you're working out and make sure you understand each logical step. Okay, so here are our solutions. If you didn't get the right answer, have another go at it. If not, ask as soon as you get to class next period, and we'll tackle that solution next period. Just to go a little bit further, and if we had a cube with side length s, we know that the cube has 6 identical faces. Each face is a square, so if we knew that the area of one square is s squared, then you need to multiply that by the number of faces. So the area of one square is s squared multiplied by 6, 6s squared. So if you do see a cube, you could use that particular method. Okay, thanks for watching this video.